What is up guys? Nanababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. One of my favorite part of the day during this quarantine period is yung break time ko from my online class. This is the time when I can actually taste test yung mga food packages na pinapadala sa amin. So for today's vlog, ang sponsor natin ngayon ay ang Wing Valley. Si Wing Valley guys ay located Eastgate Commercial Center, San Jose, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, just beside Robinson Star Mills. Actually, nabanggit ko yung address nila. Available sila for pickup if you're interested to bilhin yung kanilang mga products. So as of now, on our table, so ito yung 20 pieces wing feast nila for only 500 pesos. You can get, wow, so many flavors just in just one bilao. Okay, so let's open up these yung mga iba pang mga food packages na pinadala sa atin. Alright, first food package guys is it's a burger and fries. So actually yung burger and fries nila is 100 pesos. Sulit for this one. And then for only 300 pesos, I guess this can accommodate up until like 3 to 4 persons. Wow, so this is their pancit canton. Ayan. Okay, next let's put this here. And then lastly, wow, so another pancit guys. This is their pancit guisado. Wow, so pinadala to guys as in just I guess few minutes ago, pero as in mainit pa yung mga natin dito. So there you go, let's try these. Actually si Wing Valley, you can purchase as a minimum of 500 pesos and then 50 pesos delivery free. They can deliver your order in these following places, no? So sa San Fernando, Mexico, Santo Tomas, and Minalin area. Yan, so for pickup naman, again, yung place nila is malapit lang sa Robinson Star Mills. So let me go first with the pancit. Woo, pancit. Actually, let me go with this first since favorite ko yung pancit canton. So yung pancit canton nila guys has the ingredients na talagang gustong-gusto ko, like yung liver, also has, let me taste. So meron din siyang pork strips, of course yung vegetables natin dyan. What I can commend dito guys ay hindi siya gaanong oily. So yun, nalagyan ko na ng kalamansi yung pancit canton natin. Actually, the kalamansi will add so much flavor. Yung parang freshness ng kalamansi mag-a-add sa flavor ng pancit canton natin. So, wow. Sarap. Busin ko lang to guys, and then susunod na titikman natin itong chicken wings. And to be honest guys, ako pa naman yung person na sobrang andaling ma-please sa pagkain. Halata naman sa katawan, di ba? So this thing right here, they call it Wing Fest. It has like 20 pieces chicken wings. And in it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, mga parang 10 flavors of chicken. So you have your Texan barbecue, soy chicken, sweet and spicy sriracha, chicken garlic, honey soy, meron din tayong teriyaki, and meron din tayong honey barbecue, samjang of course, and then lastly meron din tayong garlic parmesan. So in the middle, you have your all-around sausawan. Ooh! Yung mga chicken wings fanatic dyan, for sure, they will recognize kung ano yung sausawan natin dito sa gitna. Una natin titikman guys is, wow! So, si sweet and spicy yung titikman natin. Tikman na natin. Oh wow. Oh wow. Sweet and spicy. I can attest. It's sweet and again it's spicy. So walang masyadong foreign flavor. finger licking good. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga pinipili ko ay yung mga medyo sweet and at the same time spicy. I think so. Ooh. Based on my observation, for a price of 500 pesos, this can accommodate like 3 to 5 persons. Pero siguro yung 5 person na yun, medyo mabibitin na sila sa sarap. Wow. Ito yun. Texan barbecue. So the dip has, in my observation, para siyang may garlic, may mayo, and then meron din siyang parang cream cheese, if I'm not mistaken. Parang ganun. So the flavor is really up inside the bone. Talagang sumisiksik yung flavor niya. Yeah, I must recommend. Parang ganito yung mga gusto kong portion or cuts ng mga chicken wings natin. Okay, so for the last meal, I'm going to taste is yung kanilang burger and fries. Again guys, for the price of 100 pesos only. Sobrang sulit na nito guys. Ang laki ng patty. And again, it also has yung mga usual vegetables na ilalagay natin sa mga hamburger natin. And since gusto kong matikman ng family ko yung burger, ang ginawa ko guys, hinati ko muna siya. And ito yung titikman natin. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. You're gonna enjoy this. No need to cook for your lunch or dinner. Mag-enjoy pa yung mga family nyo. So, if you want to try out Wing Valley, make sure to check out their fan page. Ito po. And the number to call for the delivery or anything you want to contact them will be this number. If you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends, guys. Again, let's make use yung quarantine period into a memorable time for our family. If you have an opportunity to mag-order na lang tayo and spend time with your family, with your kids, or with your mom, or with your significant others, make use of that. Again, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and your family. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, sabay!